Okay, so in 10.2, you'll see that sometimes you have improper expressions that you're trying to decompose, where the degree of the numerator is greater than or equal to the degree of the denominator. So you have to use long division first to rewrite the expression. So we're going to do long division for example 1, and then you'll see how we break the rest of it down. So here we go. We're going to say x squared plus x and divide it by negative x squared plus 8x plus 5. So we get a negative 1 here, and that is that would be negative x squared minus x plus 0 or whatever. You just don't have to do that. Okay. And so then that gives you 8x minus a negative. So that gives you 9x plus 5. So now the fraction can be written negative 1. This fraction right here can be written plus 9x plus 5 over x squared plus x. And you would leave the negative 1 there, and then you're going to decompose this because now the degree on the bottom is more than the degree on the top. So let's decompose. First we have to factor out the x, and we get x plus 1. So we're going to have negative 1 plus a over x plus b over x plus 1. Okay? And now we just have to do the decomposing of this part. So that's ax plus a plus bx. So factor out the x and you get a plus b, and then the constant would be plus a. And that has to equal 9x plus 5. So a plus b has to equal this 9, and a has to equal 5. So if a is 5, then b has to be 4. So the whole answer would be negative 1 plus 5 over x plus 4 over x plus 1. All right, so that was example 1. Let's move on. Okay, in this example you see, again, that the degree on the top is the same as the degree on the bottom, so you're going to have to do long division. So we're going to say x squared plus 6x minus 16 on the outside, that's the divisor, and the dividend is 7x squared plus 50x minus 108. So we would put a 7 here, so we get 7x squared plus 42x minus 16 times 7, which is 42 for 112, so minus 112. Now remember, we're subtracting that, so I should get 50 minus 42, which is 8x, and then 108 plus 1012 is plus 4. So now that's lower, that's got a smaller degree, so we rewrite this whole problem as 7 plus 8x plus 4 over x squared plus 6x minus 16. All right, so now we decompose this part. So that would be, let's factor the bottom. What am I doing? Sorry, no a. X plus 8, x minus 2, and that would be over 8x plus 4, and it's 7 plus that. So that's 7 plus a over x plus 8 plus b over x minus 2. So you get ax minus 2a plus bx plus 8b has to equal 8x plus 4. So factor out your x and you get a plus b, and your constants would be minus 2a plus 8b equals 8x plus 4. So a plus b must equal 8, and negative 2a plus 8b equals 4, the constant. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this whole thing by 2 and rewrite it. So I get 2a plus 2b equals 16, and I'm going to add that to negative 2a plus 8b equals 4. So I get 0 plus 10b equals 20. So b equals 2. And then you had a plus b is 8, so a equals 6. So let's rewrite this. 7 plus 6 over x plus 8 plus 2 over x minus 2. All right, and I'll stop there.